Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kristina here. It is so good to see you. Today I have another unboxing for you, and this time is kind of funny, so I can't wait to show you what I did. Without further ado, let me tell you what I did. So this month moved really fast. Is anybody else out there realizing that they feel like their kids just finally went back to school and it's now over? So funny story, I totally missed to change my order. So I literally got the same order that I ordered last month in my monthly subscription. And it's a good thing that when I do order things, I order them because I need them, because I literally have the exact same order. So yeah, the month came apart on me very quickly. But we're gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you what I got and realize what it is that I have. But I have to be honest, I'm not upset about it, because the first thing in here is something I usually only splurge on. And so now I get a double splurge because we got more of our zings. So this is that order. If you watched it last month, you were gonna see all of the same good stuff, but I got 2 of these zings and I don't even mind because I love them. My man loves them. It is getting warm here. It hit almost 80, and having my Ningxia with one of those zings in the afternoon just gives me that punch. It's bubbly, it's yummy. I love it's a little bit of caffeine from the white tea, and it is exactly what I need. It is also how I replaced coffee back in the day, was this in my Ningxia. Most of the time now I just do Ningxia in sparkling water because I'm able to transfer completely out of coffee. But sometimes these warm days, it is such a treat. So I'm gonna hide those and keep those on stock because I have double now. The other things that I got were some more of this bug spray. So we do use this. I get this for the daycare, for all of the little kids, since we're outside almost all of the time now. And now we clearly have plenty. So luckily it's not like it's gonna go bad. And I also got another SPF. So we have another sunscreen, again for the little ones. This is the 50. And I love just putting something on the little ones that I know is safe and effective. So we got more of that. We also got more of my, you never can have too much of these either, so I'm really happy that I doubled up by accident because I've got my 3-pack of these. Luckily, with the girls being almost done school, I won't need these as much because they eat one of these every day before they go into school. But I just absolutely love them. So, hey, can't go wrong with more. I also got another one of these, and I do love this as well. I might actually, because I just got 2 bottles in my last order, I may give this one to my daughter. So if you haven't tried the hair oil, I really love this. This is just a smooth and shine. It doesn't make me feel greasy, and it just gives my hair just this nice little sheen. Oh my gosh. So 2 days later, I'm back to finish unboxing this box for you. You know how it goes, being a mom, being in charge of all the kids. Life just happened, and it has literally been sitting here waiting for me to come back to finish opening it for you. So we're gonna do just that right now. All we have left was a few things, so let's finish this up. I bought another blush. This is called Smashing, and it is the perfect pink for summer. It's hard to see. Let's see, right in there. See that pink? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So I am really excited to just have my new summer color. I just finished actually making a video on all of the Savvy makeup, so hopefully that will be out soon. Let's see what we have in here. So now we have some oils. This is my lovely Valor. This was a freebie that I got with my order. Let's see, what else is in here? And Envision. Guys, this is such a nice blend. Can you see that? So Envision, this was also a free one. This is a wonderful blend that I use when I'm doing goal setting or vision boards or planning or manifestation. It just really helps you to kind of think outside the box and truly expand your thinking and just get your brain really working well. So I love that one. What is in this one? Ooh, Acceptance. So this is a beautiful blend as well. This was a freebie also. And this is, I have this blend, I have this open already in my office. this is a wonderful one that would, again, encourage feelings of acceptance. If you're struggling with those things, just having kind of that blend, I find that this is a really good one for teenagers. So if you have teenagers at home, that is a good blend. I would diffuse it in their bedroom, especially if they've had one of those days where either they're having trouble working out on relationships with their friends, or they're feeling like nobody really is out for them. You know, being a kid is hard, and being a teenager is hard, and it's just emotional. So they need more emotional support as their brain develops and turns into kind of being an adult. And I picked up another one of these. If I can show it to you the right way. I picked up another one of these. I just bought this, but this one is going to go in my back stock because when I run out, it's really horrible and it's really sad. And I don't like to do that because my kids love this so much. So that is my order. If you're still here, drop me an emoji down below. Let me know. Is it sunny where you are or rainy? How is the weather? Spring has sprung here, and man, it is just amazing and enjoyable, and I love it so much. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Get ready to join in all of the fun. We have so many wonderful things coming at you. And the full moon is coming, and this one's going to be a big one. So I think it's the 26th of this month, and I will be coming out with all that you need for your positive mindset and manifestations that go with that moon. And I'm going to make a special exclusive diffuser blend using that new Ecuadorian lemongrass. Oh God, it's amazing. Wait till you guys smell it. And picking out some special crystals just for this. So until next time, sending you tons of love, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.